Now you just heard the song. The song is called "How Long" by Ace, and it's kind of quick. It's like. Now that's basically how the verse goes. The verse goes, we're on the first fret of the third string, which is the A string, and that's a B flat. So we're playing this. And I'm plucking. I'm going back and forth with my fingers, like that. So it's. And then it changes to an F, first fret of the E string, every 4 measures. So it's like 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 4, 7. And then as the song comes up for how long, it plays a B flat, then a B natural, and then it's on the 3rd fret, and it's C, 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 G, 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 F, 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 G, C, 3rd fret on the A string, same fret but lower string, and then the F. Well, your friends on a da 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 da, 'cause I'm not quite as dumb as I've seen. Oh da 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 ba da ba 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 da ba ba da ba ba da ba da da ba da 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 da. B flat, you're just playing this most time, and then it comes up to the chorus. You play that passing tone on the 2nd fret, C, G, 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 then an F. So you're going from 1st fret to 3rd fret on the A string. You're hopping over to the 3rd fret on the E string, and then you're hopping down to the 1st fret for that F. It's a nice groove, a really nice bass groove. Just so you know, the bass notes are usually dotted quarters to 8th. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3. Just so you know, that's what a bass player normally plays that. Or he'll be playing, he'll be walking. Like Cocaine. By J.J. Cale. It's alright, it's alright. Cocaine. And that's where the finger exercise came. So your fingers will be strong enough to walk. Later, I'll teach you a little about boogie. Very basic bass line. If you like canned heat. So boogie is 2, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 2, 1. So your fingers are gonna have to be really strong and stretch to play any kind of blues. The blues could be slow, like the sky is falling, or stormy weather. You know, just. fingers, I'm just doing this with my fingers, just doing that. All right, enjoy.